Oh, what came off?
Oh my God, we just taking the lemon out.
It was an accident. It just came off. Look at this baby. We already have koddus on our plant.
Oh, that's nice. That's mashallah. We have a khoddu on our bottle gourd plant, khoddu plant.
Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Today is the 15th of May 2022 and the weather in our area is around 17 degrees Celsius and it's cloudy and there's light showers. It's the perfect day to take out all your indoor plants and harden them off.
Is all the plants out, Akib?
No, we have 3 more plants to take outside. The purpose for hardening of your plants is to make them stronger and toughen them up so they can survive the harsh sunlight, the wind, the cold and the rain. This process should be started 2 weeks before planting them out into the ground.
Don't make the mistake of exposing your indoor plants to the harsh sun straight away. The first time you bring your plants out into the garden, choose a cloudy day, a day which is not too cold and not too windy. Leave them out for a couple of hours and keep an eye on them. See if they look stressed. If they look stressed, take them back in. If they look happy, keep them out for the day and take them back inside during the night. Bring it out next day. If it's a sunny day, leave it under the sun for about a couple of hours, no more than that, and keep an eye on them. If they look a little stressed, put them under shade and leave them out for the day. Bring it back, take it back indoors during the night. Repeat the process for 2 weeks and hopefully your plant would be hardened off and they would be tough enough to leave out into the garden. You won't have to take them back in again. Let's give you guys a quick update of our garden and show you what we've been up to. We've taken our lemon plant out into the garden and it looks much happier now, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
It needs the natural rain, natural water for the plant to grow. Using tap water all the time is not so good. So I've taken this plant out and it looks really happy out here. And it's starting to bloom and produce a lot of lemons.
Oh, what came off?
Oh my God, we just taking the lemon out.
It was an accident. It just came off.
That's very good, was it?
It still smells nice though.
Yeah. Yeah, it smells nice. Can't eat that.
No, we can't.
Most of the plants that we intend to plant out into the ground are ready for planting. The weather in our area for the next 10 days is going to be warm. And the night temperature, looking at the weather forecast, is going to stay above 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. So I intend to start planting from today. In fact, I have planted 1 bottle gourd. I'll show you in a minute. But I'm not going to plant them. I'm not going to plant all of them just in one go. I will do it over the next 2 weeks so that I don't take too much risk. Akif, have you seen the size of those potato plants behind you?
Dad, our potatoes are growing so fast.
And they go so tall, aren't they? They're almost tall as you.
Almost nearly there.
This year we are growing a lot of leafy vegetables in these jumbo builder's bag and some potatoes. And mashallah, they look very healthy. I'm just a bit worried. Have we added too much nitrogen in it because they look so big?
They got really big.
Oh, this is one of our coriander plants. I'm keeping them for seed. Now, just in case you missed our video on how to grow coriander all year round, and I've shown you how to sprout your coriander seed just in 3 days, you should watch that video and you'll have great success. So this one we've grown in this container and we kept these plants for seeds. You can't eat everything.
Smells nice.
So these plants are ready for planting into the ground. But I'm not going to be planting the Cicinda and the bitter gourd until the end of May. I don't want to take the risk. And these are some cucumber plants. And these plants, I'm going to start planting them into the ground from today onward, over the next few days. And I'll be making a video to show you how I plant them. Now, there's one plant I planted last night. That's that bottle gourd plant. It's going to trade onto this trellis. And last week we've shown you how to make this trellis using this timber. Just in case you missed that video, we'll leave the link in the description down below. This is a very solid trellis.
It's a really strong trellis.
Very strong trellis, yes. And it's not fixed into the ground. This is a portable one. You can move this around. So this is the hodu plant I planted last night.
Look guys, I can basically sleep on it.
Yes, it's heavy. Let's give you an update inside the greenhouse.
Dad, check this out. We have a kodu. Look at this baby.
Oh my god, we have... What's the date today?
Today's the 15th of May and we already have kodus on our plant.
Oh, that's nice. That's mashallah, we have a hodu on our bottle gourd plant, hodu plant. But actually, this is a female flower. But where is the male flower? We don't have a male flower on the plant. So how are we going to pollinate that female flower? So without pollination, this hodu will not survive. We have lots of male flower buds, but it hasn't bloomed yet. That's a male flower.
Dad, you never know, it might bloom overnight.
Yes, it might bloom. It might bloom overnight. So these are male flowers. You can identify them. They don't have fruits on them. So these are male flowers.
Look, this one's already starting. This male flower is already starting to open up.
Let's hope so. Let's pray that this one blooms, so that tomorrow we can pollinate our first hodu of 2022. That's amazing, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so most of our plants inside the greenhouse are doing really well. These are 3 bitter gourd plants we planted in this very large container. Now, some of you have been asking where we buy our large containers from. These ones we bought from B&M, and they're the largest one you can buy in B&M. I think it costs about £7 or £8 this one. So it's quite hard. And they're very, very big. So you've got 3 bitter gourd plant here, and they look beautiful. This is the snake gourd, Cicinda. I planted 3 plants in this large container. These are very large containers. So there's 3 plants in here, and one of them not growing so fast. I don't know why, but these 2 plants are doing really well. Mashallah, trailed onto this trellis here, and hoping to get a few Cicindas in a few weeks' time. What are these, Akib?
Some cucumber plants, and we have some cucumbers on this plant.
Alright, so, oh, looking cucumbers good.
Look at these.
Yes. They look good.
Looking good.
These are the leafy green lettuce leaves. Now, by the way, if you missed our first harvesting video of 2022, we will leave the link in the description down below.
Or you could click the eye up here and it will take you straight to that video.
Okay, so you have seen the hodu plant, and these are tomatoes, and these are 2 more hodu plants I planted inside the greenhouse. This is another one. It's slowly climbing up the trellis. Okay, it's time to bring all the plants inside.
Yes.
It's raining quite heavily now. So hard work again. We need to get the plants inside, especially the chili plants. We don't want to get them too wet. So it's the first time we've actually introduced those chili plants to the rain. And they've been out there for about 2 hours now.
Yeah.
So it's time to bring them in. We don't want to get them too wet. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share our videos with friends and family.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. And don't forget to leave us a comment letting us know how you're finding our videos. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.